Traditional paper making in Trashy Yangtze. As I visit the Dechen Phodrang Nay, at Womanang, Trashyonks, I also grabbed an opportunity to visit traditional paper making factory in a small hamlet of Rubni, and gained a profound understanding of this fascinating process. The origins of Desho making in Bhutan remain in mystery. It is not known for how long Desho making has existed, nor do we know who introduced the skill. Nevertheless, the paper is renowned for its exceptional strength, often addressed as the strongest in the world. According to Mrs. Karma Dima, the art of paper making in Trashy Yangtze is not merely a means of livelihood, but also a commitment to preserving the ancient tradition alive for future generations. Desho is made from the bark of Daphne, commonly known as desheng. It is a plant with fibrous bark that grows at elevations between 1200 to 3000 meters above sea level. Basically, the Daphne papyri grown at an altitude of 1500 feet and below produces a strong and dark paper. The Edgeworthia papyri found at higher altitudes of 3000 feet and above, produces a whiter, more fragile paper. The raw materials are collected from various harvesting sites and mostly from Mongar Zongkag. The process involved are: Step 1. Basts are removed from the Daphne plants and cut into short pieces. Step 2. The basts are soaked in the water for about 24 hours, followed by thorough washing and cleaning. During this process, the outer parts are manually removed. Step 3. They then boil with ash until fully cooked. The bark is then rinsed, and further cleaned, and do the sorting process where all the bad fibers are removed. Step 4. The fibers are then crushed and pounded into a wood pulp using traditional wooden pounder. Step 5. The soft crushed pulp is put into the wooden cylindrical container and churned with water and vegetable starch. The resulting gooey mixture is then spread over a wooden frame with a bamboo screen filter covered by cloth. The mat is then gently shaken from side to side to allow a thin layer of mixture to spread out evenly over the screen. Step 6. It is then dried one by one in the sun, and once it is completely dried, they pull off the single sheet of paper from the wooden framed screen. Each piece of paper is brushed clean. That's the final stage of production. I tried and took an opportunity to make one, but the final shape was not up to the expectation of the owner. This proves that the Desho making requires patience, skills and experiences. In the present times, due to strong fiber, the Desho is still used for preserving important documents and religious scripts, in various applications such as wrapping parcels and gifts, creating wishing cards, drawing paper, notebooks, certificates, envelopes and calendars.